Are you looking for a new staircase for your home? I am Nick with DKP Stairs and Railings, and I will break down the process and pricing for you in this video. First thing that we do, we ask, what kind of design would you like? The next step is we come and measure at the premises what kind of dimensions do you have for us to install the stairs. That determines the size of the stairs and many other aspects of this job. The next step, we will design the stairs for you, draw them, and provide the shop drawings for your approval. If you like the design, then we are going to start fabricating them. Once the stairs are fabricated, we will deliver them to you and install. After we install your stairs, obviously you would need the guardrail and railing, which we also will be fabricating for you should you order them from us. So we have a vast selection of designs, options of the stairs. If you'd like to see what type of options we can offer, please check out our Instagram. Very important factor in price of the stairs is a material or wood species that it's fabricated out of. The most cost-effective material is pine. However, pine is a soft wood and it's not advisable to have pine stairs installed in the areas with high traffic. The next tier would be red oak stairs on poplar stringers. Both red oak and poplar are very durable materials. However, red oak is stainable and the poplar is paintable. The tier above the red oak is a white oak treads, also with poplar stringers. However, if you'd like, we can fabricate for you all red oak stairs. That would be the next tier of the material, or all white oak stairs. After that comes exotic wood. Any type of wood that you would like, we can fabricate the stairs for you from that wood. The next material for the stairs is metal. As much as it could be surprising, nowadays there are a lot of stairs that are fabricated out of mixed materials, such as part of it is metal and part of it is wood. Very often we see those modern floating stairs that are sitting on a metal stringer that it goes all the way along the stairs in the middle of it, like a spine. That's called a metal monostringer. Also, on those stairs, you can have whether red oak, white oak, or hard maple or walnut steps. However, most of those stairs require thicker treads, which makes it more expensive. The next tier is a curved stair, because curving a stair is a very labor-intensive process. So as you can see, whether it's a stair configuration or stair materials or stair design or look, your imagination has no limit with us. One of the most complicated configurations that we've ever made was a helical curved stair that was produced from a metal and had granite treads. Now that we know about the materials, let's talk about the configuration of the stairs. Now, configuration of the stairs is close to countless. So the main elements of the stairs are stringers, risers, treads, and nosings. All these things could be configured to the design of your liking. And of course, we have in-house designer who will help you with every step building your steps. As soon as we're done with choosing a configuration and material, this next step is a fabrication or production. Now, the stair that you see right here is one of the basic stairs, and it takes about 5 hours to fabricate. However, there are some intricate stairs, such as curved stairs, that would take us a week or two. Once the stair is fabricated, then there is an installation. Well, installation is very simple. I don't know what to talk about. We come in, we install, and we go. If there is an existing stair in the place where we are putting the new one, we will be demolishing that stair with a minimal damage to your premises and replacing it with a brand new stair. After the installation, it is very important to have the stairs painted and stained. It prevents cracking or any damage of the wood. Once the stairs are installed, it doesn't mean that you can start walking on them right away. For safety, you need guardrail and handrail. Now, railing is a whole separate topic, and if you'd like to learn more about it, please watch our other videos on our channel. Replacing of the stairs is an involved process, and it's very difficult to give you cost right offhand unless we speak with you in detail. What kind of design you like, what kind of configuration, what type of materials. If you'd like a precise cost, what would help is if you contact us through the link, and we would be happy to provide the most precise price estimate. Okay guys, so this is briefly about stairs and railings, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and we'll be happy to record more videos for you.